class, we are going to discuss the test of divisibility. How we can say that a number is divisible by a particular number without doing the proper division. So in this class, we are going to discuss how its a number is divisible by 2, divisible by 10, divisible by 5, 3, 9. So there is a trick to find out whether the number is divisible by a number or not. Then why we are learning the divisibility test? Divisibility test help us to check quickly whether the number is divisible by a given number or not. So with the example, first is we are going to check the divisibility of 2. If you see any number, like example 432 is a number, this number is divisible by 2 or not. It's an even number or not. First you have to check that number is even number or not. Is it even number? So it's divisible by 2. How you can say that that is the even number? By looking the dashed digit. If it is a last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say that that number is an even number. Here the last number is 2, so this is an even number. Like example, another, this number 2340. The last digit is 0, so it's an even number. If it is even number, it's divisible by 2. We can follow some examples also. Okay, this is an 36,342. Then the last digit is 2. 2 is an even number, so the whole number is an even number. If it is even number, it's divisible by 2. So I will give you some examples. Then we will we will check the divisibility. I did not even go through the proper division. Then I find out that it's divisible by 2. So like that, I will give you five questions. Then we will check if it is divisible by or not 2 or not. There are 5 numbers, so we can check is it divisible by 2 or not without doing the proper division. The last digit is 5, so it's not an even number. So if it is not even number, it's not divisible by 2. Next question, last digit is 6. The last digit is 6, then it will be an even number. So if it is even number, it's divisible by 2. Then the last digit is 3. 3 is not an even number, so it's not the whole number is not an even number. It's not divisible by 2. The last digit is 2. Then we can say that the whole number is even number. It's divisible by 2. The last digit is 1. 1 is not an even number, so it's not divisible by 2. So this is a way we can check the divisibility of 2. Okay, now we are going to check the divisibility of 5. When you see a number, that number is divisible by 5 or not without doing the proper division. So I written now one number, the last digit is 5. Then we can say that that number is divisible by 5. One more number, 400. The last digit is 0. This is also a divisible by 5. If the last digits, if you see any number, the last digits are 0 or 5, any. If it is 0, it's divisible by 5. If it is 5, that is also divisible by 5. Okay, then we can check some example like we done in the divisibility of 2. There are 5 numbers, then we can check the divisibility of a 5. Okay, this is a big number, so we cannot go through the division, which will take time. Within seconds, we can find out this is divisible by 5 or not. Check the last digits. Last digit is 5, then it is divisible by 5. Okay, then the last digit is here is 0. If it is 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5. So then it is divisible by 5. Check the last digit, it's 5. So it's divisible by 5. The last digit is 7. It's 0 or 5. It's here it is 7. So it's not divisible by 5. The last digit is 0. So 0 or 5. That our condition is if it is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Here is 0. It's divisible by 5. Now we are going to check the divisibility of 10. If you see any number, that number is divisible by 10. The only one condition is there, the last digit is 0, then we can say that that is divisible by 3200. The last digit 0, so it's divisible by 10. Then it's also the last digit is 0, it's divisible by 10. If any ending number, this is 7, 377 is ending with the 7, so it's not divisible by 10. 838, the last digit is 8, not a 0, so it's not divisible by 10. Another number, it's also last digit is 7, it's not divisible by 10. So once again 600 is the last digit is 0, then we can say that this is the divisible by 10. We'll give you some examples, then we will check the divisibility of a. Okay, there are 5 numbers. We are going to check that numbers are divisible by 10 or not. Then the last digit is 0. Only one condition is there. The last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. The last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. The last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. The last digit is not a 0. This is here, it is 8. So it's not divisible by 10. The last digit is 5. It's not a 0. So it's not divisible by 10. The last digit is 1. It's not divisible by 10. Okay, now we are going to check the divisibility of 3. If any number is divisible by 3, if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Okay, the condition is any number is divisible by 3, then any number you have to write. 432. It's take the sum of this number, 4 plus 3 plus 2. We can say 4 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So we know that 9 is divisible by 3. So it's divisible by 3. The sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Then we can say that that number is divisible by 3. Once again, another number is 778. So sum of the digit is 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Plus 8 equal to 22. 22 is not a divisible by 3. So it's not divisible by 3. One other number, 398. Take the sum. 3 plus 9 plus 8. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Plus 8 equal to 20. 20 is not a divisible by 3. So it's not divisible by 3. Another number is 548. Okay, then we have to take the sum of this number. 5 plus 4 plus 8. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 17 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. The another number is 954. 954. We can take the sum. 9 plus 5 plus 4. Then 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So we can say that this number is divisible by 3. Then we are going to check the divisibility of 3. So first we have to take the sum of all digits. Okay, then here 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9, that is 6 plus 3 equal to 9 plus 4 13 plus 9 equal to 22. 22 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. Another number 6392. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2. That is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 9 plus 9 equal to 18, 18 plus 2 is equal to 20, 20 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. Then another number is this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 8 equal to 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 3, so this is not a divisible by 3. Another number is 9019. So 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 equal to 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. Another number 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 8 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3.